When I was 16 years old, my chemistry teacher changed the course of my life. I was failing his class, and instead of giving up on me, he did something extraordinary. He taught me how to make beauty products. I still remember the day he showed me how to make nail polish. At that moment, he didn't just see me as a student. He saw me both as a chemist and a cosmetologist. Unfortunately, my parents didn't share his vision. They opposed the idea
You will not do what you are dreaming of doing.
of me becoming a cosmetologist. They wanted me to pursue medicine, so I became a registered nurse instead. I served as an RN for 13 years, but deep down, I was miserable and unfulfilled. I knew I wasn't living my true purpose. After 13 years, I made a bold decision.
I need to tell you something. What is it?
I left nursing to open a hair salon. It wasn't easy. I experienced turnover and challenges that tested my faith. But those experiences led me to develop my own line of beauty products, Diva by Cindy. A few years later, my journey took me to a new level when I opened a retail store at Baltimore Washington International Airport. When that store was reclaimed, I didn't give up. I pivoted and created something groundbreaking, the first natural hair care vending machine. In October 2018, we made history. Today, I'm walking in my purpose through the Diva Day Spa. I've created a healing center for women, a place where I bring women in to experience healing, change, and transformation, and a place where I often bring in homeless women, victims of domestic violence, and girls from group homes to experience beauty, pampering, and transformation. My brand, Diva by Cindy, is more than hair care. It's a conduit for healing, confidence, and love. My name is Cindy Tawia, and my mission is simple yet powerful: to heal, change, and transform lives, one diva at a time.
Introducing the Diva by Cindy Smart Beauty Machine, your go-to for instant beauty solutions.